Let's make sentences. Library. I went to the library yesterday. I went to the library yesterday. Plate. She cleaned the plate. She cleaned the plate. Cake. He likes to eat cake every evening. He likes to eat cake every evening. Tea. I made a tea for my father. I made a tea for my father. Gift. He gave me a gift for my birthday. He gave me a gift for my birthday. Sugar. I filled sugar into the bottle. I filled sugar into the bottle. Shoes. My friend brought new shoes. My friend brought new shoes. Mother. She went shopping with her mother. She went shopping with her mother. Friend. She waited for her friend. She waited for her friend. Tree. They sat near the tree. They sat near the tree. Car. They went to the office by car. They went to the office by car. Television. He watched television after work. He watched television after work. Dog. I walked with my dog in the evening. I walked with my dog in the evening. House. He prepared his house for the new year. He repaired his house for the new year. Lemon. My mother made fresh lemon juice. My mother made fresh lemon juice. Shirt. My sister gave me a new shirt. My sister gave me a new shirt. train. He went to school by train. He went to school by train. Bag. I put vegetables in my bag. I put vegetables in my bag. Letter. He wrote a letter to his friend. He wrote a letter to his friend. City. They planned to go to a new city. They planned to go to a new city. World. They travel around the world. They travel around the world. Door. She opened the door quickly. She opened the door quickly. Paper. He painted a beautiful drawing on the paper. He painted a beautiful drawing on the paper. Sun. My son wakes up early in the morning. My son wakes up early in the morning. Umbrella. He gave his umbrella to a friend. He gave his umbrella to a friend. Song. She sang a song at a birthday party. She sang a song at a birthday party. Milk. My cat drinks milk every day. My cat drinks milk every day. Beach. He spends his free time at the beach. He spends his free time at the beach. Egg. He fried an egg for breakfast. He fried an egg for breakfast. Friend. My friend was sick in the class. My friend was sick in the class. Exam. He passed the exam with good grades. He passed the exam with good grades. Shop. They drank coffee from a small shop. They drank coffee from a small shop. Soap. She washed her hands with soap. She washed her hands with soap. Towel. I put my towel on the rack. I put my towel on the rack. Bed. He went to bed early. He went to bed early. Playground. Sister played at the playground. Sister played at the playground. Garden. Brother rides a bicycle in the garden. Brother rides a bicycle in the garden. Thank you for watching this video. Learn these sentences well. If you think this video is good, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.